Hi everyone, good morning. So for today's vlog, we are going to market because I'm going to buy my aircon. Thank you so much, Sir Steve, for buying me an aircon. I love you always. Thank you so much for always helping me. So ayun guys, update ko kayo pag kami ay nasa palengke na. Hi Sir Steve, so now I will going to pay the aircon that I bought here at the Royal Star. Sir Steve, the aircon is 11,100. It's a 0.6
lang po?
because that's
18,000 lang.
her brand is Condura.
Yes po.
I will going to
May
pay it
charge po
now.
install.
Hindi ayun.
Timer po, pa-timer po siya, ma'am. Pwede pa-timer.
Apa.
Kanya ito.
Ito yung adjustan ng kanyang. Ay, dito pa.
Ano po?
If ever magka-problem po, pwede po kayo mag-chat sa page namin. Royal Star Appliance ng
Okay.
Cebu, Batangas. Tapos pwede din naman po kayo mag-direct dito. Pero home service po.
Okay.
If ever may problem po, home service namin. Pakapirma lang po ako dito. Signature overprinted nito.
Ito.
Saka itago na lang mga receive pa lang.
Okay po.
Ito mo. Bilangin ko lang po.
Sige.
Wala kang 100 lang.
Wala po.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my God. 18.
So yun guys, we're going home. I'm with Baker Sir Steve. We're going home. I already bought the aircon. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. So ayan guys, nandito na nga po kami sa bahay. Nakabili tayo ng aircon. Ayan. Ang init guys, sobrang tagal namin. Sir Steve, I already bought an aircon. Thank you so much. This is my dream. My two kids will have a good sleep too because we have an aircon. The room will be cold, so my two kids will have a good sleep. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. I love you always. Thank you for always helping me. So ayun guys, ito ko natapusin ang aking vlog for today's video. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po na sumasuporta sa akin. Sir Steven, I love you always. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys. See you on my next vlog. Love you all.